So let's talk about the importance of paying business taxes, because I think a lot of people have it in their mind, I'm going to work for myself and I'm going to get rich, and either I'm never going to pay taxes again, or I'm only going to pay taxes on such a small amount of my income that taxes never even affect me. I'm going to try to get out of paying as many taxes as I can. Great. That is, in a way, it's a little bit different, but in a way, one of the advantages of having your own business is that you get to tell the government, this is how much I made. And the government, unless they go snooping through your personal finances and your mattress, won't know any different other than what you report to them every quarterly, which is every 3 months, I believe. Every 90 days, they want a report. How you doing? Every 90 days, how you doing? Yeah, that's what they want. It's called, not intermittent taxes. I mean, that's kind of what it is. But it's self-employment taxes. It's the estimated taxes is what I'm looking for. Estimated, intermittent. Look, it's close enough. Roll with me. You know, you get to tell the government how much you make. That means you get to pad your accounts. You get to stuff your mattress, do whatever it is that you do with the extra money. Nobody knows it but me. Nobody knows it but you, honey. Yes, you are living the life, honey, until your car breaks down. And just roll with me here, because I'm trying to paint a picture. Your car breaks down and now you need a car. You would prefer to get a car that you have to get a loan for, no cash car. Actually, I want to have to get a loan, okay? That lets you know that I want something new that doesn't make loud sounds when you cut it on. Oh, no, honey, turn it off. Just turn it off. We'll take the bus. Girl, we'll take the bus. If we have to get in that car with you, we will take the bus, honey. Okay, so look, I'm trying to tell my story. You go and they say, all right, can we see your W-2, your pay stubs? You're like, oh, so proudly, no, I don't have W-2s or pay stubs, sir. I'm self-employed. Oh, okay, well, that's fine. Good for you. Can we see your tax return? Yeah. Okay, so there's two types of business owners, those that do pay their taxes so that they can stay up under the radar, and then those that don't and think that that's going to last forever. And so the ones that don't, at that point, they would have had to leave. Now you have no choice but to get a cash car. The ones that do pay their taxes, they hand the tax statement. Now, neither one of these people are doing right. I just want to let you know that. So he hands them the tax statement. You know what I'm saying? Let's say he made $30,000 last year, in cash, just from his side hustle, and he reported only what he had to deposit in his account in order for it to materialize, aka checks. Well, he got $8,000 in checks, so that's $22,000 that we don't really know what he did with it, but he reported $8,000 worth of taxable income for the tax year prior, and the tax year prior to that, and the tax year prior to that. Let's just say the numbers swelled and ebbed and flowed a little bit, but it was never more than like $12,000 that he was repeatedly bringing in, more than $20,000, $30,000 a year, okay? Let's just say that. So the banker looks at the tax statement and said, now what kind of car do you say you want? After taking some time, this is what he says. I was thinking about a Range Rover, because let's think about it. You have your $80,000 a year corporate job, your $30,000 a year side hustle. Your wife is doing real good. Come on now. It's time for you to get the range. It's time for you to step it on up. You balling, shot calling, whatever else. You know what I'm saying? No, honey. What you can afford on a Range Rover, according to these tax statements, unless you are going to put $28,000 down today and tomorrow, you can afford the keys and the right passenger door without the handle. That's what you can afford at Range Rover with $8,000 reported in your income taxes. So, what is the lesson that we have learned? Pay your taxes, first of all, so you could at least get in front of the banker. Second of all, report your income. It's best to report all of it, because if you was working at a job, all of it would get reported, but you would have that assurance, or so you think, of the money automatically being paid into Social Security and Medicare for you when you get older. It's going to be there. Lord, it's going to be there. I don't want to work forever, Jesus. I'm tired, Lord, I'm tired. So, anyway, let me know. Let me know if this helps. Let me know what you think. It's important. It's important.